In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI video generator. Whether you're creating content for personal use or for a project, this tool can really elevate your video creation experience. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to canva.com and click on Create a Design. This button is usually easy to find at the top of your screen. Canva offers a variety of templates and designs, but today we're focusing specifically on video creation. So once you've clicked Create a Design, you'll want to select Video from the drop-down menu. Choosing Video here ensures you're in the right place to access all the video-specific tools Canva offers. Now that you've opened the video creation area, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see a range of options. Look for and click on Apps. This section includes different tools and extensions that Canva provides to enhance your design process. Once you've opened Apps, you'll want to select Magic Media. This tool is key because it leverages AI to streamline video generation, making it faster and easier than ever to create professional-looking content. Under Magic Media, make sure you select Video. This step is vital as it narrows the tools you'll be using specifically to video elements. At this point, you should see a text box appear. Here, you should describe the video you want to create. Be as detailed as possible in your description to give the AI a clear idea of what you're envisioning. The description might include specific scenes, moods, or themes you're aiming to capture. After you've entered your description and fine-tuned it for clarity, it's time to let the AI do its work. Hit the Generate Video button, then sit back for a moment while the Canva AI works its magic. This feature is brilliant for cutting down on manual editing time, synthesizing your ideas into cohesive video segments almost instantaneously. Once your video is generated, you have the option to refine it further. You can add AI-generated scenes to enhance the narrative or include music to set the tone. Experiment with different scenes or tracks to see what resonates best with your initial concept. These elements are essential in creating a dynamic and engaging piece. Finally, after you've made all the adjustments and you're satisfied with how your video looks, navigate to the Download button. Clicking this will allow you to save your project directly to your device. This final step is rewarding as it marks the completion of your creative process with Canva's AI video generator. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more skilled and efficient you'll become. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.